Hello, Catherine. Welcome to my interview. Before we begin, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Linda. You can call me Jasmine, and my major is digital media. Thank you so much for enjoying me for this interview. And I will ask you some questions about my portfolio and industry-related information. I want to get some experience through this interview. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Go for the first questions. What inspired you to pursue a career in digital media design or a design-related career?
The motivation to pursue a career in on design industry from a love of beauty and a strong desire to express myself. As a child, I had a strong interest in fashion and art, often designing clothes for dolls and drawing various fashion pictures. As I grew older, I realized that clothing is not just something you put on your body, but also a form of culture and self-expression. New York, well known as a creative and multicultural city, um, further inspired my design and made me determined to pursue a design related career.
Okay, thank you. Uh, Next is what software tools and technicals do you consider indispensable in work?
Um, I used digital printing technology to print designs directly onto fabrics for a high quality pattern printing. And I also use CLO 3D for three-dimensional garment design and virtual fittings, which allows for the rapid creation of realistic 3D garment models and reduces the time and cost of sample production.
Okay, thank you. Can you share a particularly challenging project you have worked on? How did you overcome the obstacles?
So, a particular challenging project I worked on was designing a luxury evening wear collection for a prestigious fashion show. The primary challenge was meeting the high standards of luxury fashion, including the use of um, premium fabrics, um, tiny details, and ensure the perfection perfection in fit and finish. Additionally, the project had a tight deadline, which added so much pressure. To overcome these challenges, I schedule um, I made a plan and managed a schedule. Um, I started by researching current luxury fashion trends and sourcing the highest quality materials. I collaborated closely with skilled artisan and dressmakers to ensure each piece has met the desired standards. Regular fittings and quality checks were essential to maintain the collection's integrity. And the effective communication and teamwork helped um, help to improve the process allowing us to meet the deadline without compromising on quality.
Okay, thank you for sharing. Uh, Now, next questions. Can you share your experience and lessons learned in finding a job in digital media's industry or a design related industry?
Mhm. Um, Job searching process um, in design industry um, is a requires a creative and well organized portfolio and a resume. This is the key to attracting employers' attention. It is not only demonstrates your design ability, but also shows your design inspiration and your own personality. So be open-minded and accepting different opinions, feedbacks, and to continuously improve your design and skills.
Okay. With the rise of artificial intelligence, how do you see the future of in digital media design?
Um, the future of digital media design is full of endless possibility with the rise of AI. So AI can help designers generate design sketches faster, optimize production process, anticipate trends, and analyze market demand. So specifically, personalization. AI is used to analyze consumer preferences, enabling highly personalized design and recommendations. And for data and analysis, AI can process large amounts of data to help the designer to understand market trends and consumer needs.
Okay, thank you. Very useful. Looking at the design industry sector as whole, is there a company or team that you particularly admire?
Sure. I prefer Alexander McQueen. Their, their designs are bold and innovative with a strong visual impact and deep storytelling each season.
Okay. I think you have checked out my website, and I'm going to ask you some questions about my portfolio. So, the first questions, what are your overall impressions of my art portfolio in terms of presentation, organizations, and the visual appeal?
So, as far as your portfolio is concerned, I think you did a pretty good job of presenting and organizing and making it visually appealing. Your portfolio is clear and gives a neat and organized impression, allowing the viewer to easily navigate through your network.
Okay. Are there any areas in my portfolio where you feel I could improve or expand upon my artistical skill or technicals?
I think it is important to design across platforms and show some design projects on different platforms. Um, Whatever is online or offline, to demonstrate your ability to adapt across different mediums.
Okay, I benefit a lot. Uh, Based on what you have seen in my portfolio, do you have any recommendations for next steps or areas of focus to further develop my career as a designer?
So, I think finding internships, looking for internships or freelance projects can help you to gain real world experience and enrich your portfolio, as well as building your personal brand, sharing your design process and your own comprehensions through social media, personal websites, and blogs to increase your visibility and your influence.
Okay. Are there any specific markets or industries where you think my style of artwork could be particularly well received or sought after?
I think you can try to um, interning interning at creative agencies and design studios that look for designers with unique visual styles and innovative skills, and your style of work fits well with the needs of these organizations. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Thank you for your participations. I
Mm-hmm.
will use your suggestions. Have a good day.
Mm-hmm. You too. Have a good day.
Thank you so much again.